Howdy, LinkedIn. It's Kyle Graves at Snell and Wimmer. I wanted to talk to you today about protecting software innovations. And I thought it would be fun to use this old 1960s style imported wine bottle as an example of different types of protection that could be applied both to innovations like this and to software. We often don't think of software in those terms, but I think it's helpful and instructive to give it a hands-on type of demonstration. So, a lot of folks say software is not patentable, and frankly, that's just not true. You can patent software. Before we get to patents, though, we should talk about a few other things. Software is protected by copyright. Copyright protects works of expression that are reduced to a tangible medium. Copyright would protect the artwork that has been reduced to this tangible medium, the shipwright here. It also protects your source code and your bytecode. Then there's trade secret. Trade secret protects anything that has economic value because it's not readily ascertained by others, and you take steps, reasonable steps, to maintain its secrecy. That might be your source code. Now, there's not a direct analog to what I have here, but if you're thinking of this bottle, you open it up, it has wine in it. The vintner has made the wine according to some process that they don't share with the world. That process, that's the trade secret. And then finally, patent. Patent protects innovations regardless of whether the infringer has copied directly from you or has independently developed it. So copyright and trade secret generally require some type of infringing action that the person takes that seems a little bit off relative to your company, right? Seems like they're stealing something or walking out with something. Not so with patent. If you develop one of these independently and it infringes the patent, there's still enforceable rights. Now, software, much like the utilitarian design of a bottle, is patentable. A couple of things to make your software more likely to succeed at the patent office when you're pursuing those patents is to characterize it as a machine solution to a machine problem. Code solves solutions inside the box. Code also solves solutions from box to box. So if you think about networking bottlenecks and how your software might be affecting a bottleneck or an endpoint versus server decision, that's a machine solution to a machine problem. AI, machine learning, these are machine solutions to machine problems. Improving how things appear on your screen when they pop up automatically and in different places, that's a machine solution to a machine problem. Second thing is software that receives data from a sensor and then creates some kind of change in an effector. That would be embedded control systems, or even, once again, software that intelligently arranges things or creates various displays on a human interface item. That's an effector that's altered based on sensed inputs. These types of software that interact with the real world are highly patentable. Then finally, and the last reason I have this bottle is to talk about design patent. Design patents protect the ornamental design of an object of manufacture. This includes screen layouts, fonts, novel icons. It also includes the aesthetics of this bottle. This is a utilitarian device for holding liquid, and maybe we could get a patent claim directed towards that, but we can also get a design patent directed to the profile of the bottle. The same is true for many computer things that display on a user interface. So, wanted you to think about perhaps considering software patents. They're not as difficult to obtain as some voices in the industry have indicated, and they have a lot of potential to improve your valuation as you're looking toward liquidity or other type of VC events. Okay, thanks. Talk to you next time.